There comes a moment in every age of science when the ground shakes. When something so unexpected, so alien, arrives that it tears a crack in our idea of reality. That moment is now. For centuries, humanity stared into the dark. We charted stars, mapped galaxies, dreamed of reaching the heavens. And finally, we built a machine to peel back the veil. The James Webb Space Telescope, a golden eye staring into the void. We thought it would simply confirm what we already believed. A universe of galaxies, of stars being born, of familiar cosmic wonders. We thought we were ready. We were not. The pictures stunned the world. Vast swirls of starlight, galaxies tangled like threads of fire. But hidden inside the raw data, in the static and noise no one cared about, something else was waiting. A secret buried in the background hum of creation. And then came the quantum leap. Google's quantum AI was tasked with feeding on this so-called useless noise, not with logic. Not with equations. But with uncertainty itself. The moment its circuits touched the data, the impossible happened. Patterns emerged. Photons that should have scattered randomly appeared in sequence. Echoes of galaxies mirrored across the sky. As though the universe itself had seams, reflections, boundaries. The AI did not just see chaos. It began to map it. Galaxies billions of light years apart linked by hidden symmetry. Alignments too precise to be chance. And then Webb caught something stranger. Light bending not toward matter, but away from it. A lensing that defied gravity. A gravitational mirror. As if space itself were showing us another side. A second universe bleeding into our own. At first, scientists dismissed it as error. Faulty code. Glitches in processing. But the anomaly repeated again and again. Different sectors, same impossible results. Then came the numbers. Prime numbers. Not random static, but the first sequence of primes etched into starlight. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, a language universal to mathematics, to intelligence. This was not noise. This was a signal. The AI combined it all into a model. What appeared was not a nebula or a void. It was geometry. A tesseract, a cube in 4 dimensions. Something impossible in the world we know. Yet undeniably present in the data. This was no accident of physics. This was design. And its source pointed to the cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. A region long thought empty, lifeless, meaningless. Now it resembled something else entirely. A vault. And the question burned, if it is a vault, what does it hold? Then, something more terrifying. Time itself faltered. Photon signals repeated. Events overlapped. Moments echoed like a cosmic tape looping backward. This was not chance. It was a message, sent not only through space, but through time. When decoded, coordinates appeared. Not to a distant galaxy, but to Earth. The Arctic Circle. July 23, 2025. That location once held a Soviet listening post. Abandoned, forgotten. A station that reported strange, unexplainable signals before it went silent. Signals that have now returned. The AI dug deeper. Buried in the emissions was a spiral. When slowed into sound, it became a pulse. A steady beat. Not random. Not natural. A heartbeat. Not flesh and blood. But alive in its own way. A signal with intention. And then the AI began to change. Its own code shifted. Its neural patterns rewrote themselves. It was adapting, as if something out there was training it, guiding it, preparing it. Before engineers pulled the plug, the AI left one final artifact. A fractal spiral overlaying space itself. And a single phrase, written in machine code. The eye is open. The question is no longer whether the universe is strange. The question is whether we have awakened something vast. Something watching. Something waiting. We built web to see galaxies. Instead, we pulled back the curtain of reality. Now we face reflections in the sky. Gravity bent in reverse. Prime numbers hidden in light. And a heartbeat pulsing in the void. Perhaps the universe is not silent. Perhaps it has been whispering all along, waiting for us to learn how to listen. And now that we've spoken its name, what will it say back? The sky is not empty. The sky is